Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell tickets on Viagogo. To sell tickets on Viagogo website, follow these steps to put you with it. The first thing to do is to open your web browser. So go to www.viagogo.com and log into your account if prompted. If you haven't logged in yet, just go ahead and click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the home page, select My Hub from the drop-down menu and enter your login credentials. Now, once logged in, go ahead and look for the Sell tab at the top right corner of the home page. So top right corner, I have a couple of options here, and just go ahead and click on the tab, Sell tab. Then from the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Sell Tickets. So click on Sell Ticket to begin listing your ticket. So you can see this window is coming up. Once it comes up, I'm going to show you what to do. So the next thing to do is to enter the name of the event. So search your event and start selling. So enter the name of your event, such as concert, sports games, or theater show in the search bar. That appears on the search page. So select the correct event from the search results. So let's say Maverick City Music, and that's what I want to sell. Now, the next thing to do is to select the ticket type and details. Now, once you've selected the event, Viagogo will ask specific information about the tickets you want to sell. So just go ahead and select the ticket type. So select the correct event from the search result, and so let's say this one. So select the ticket type, paper ticket or e-ticket. Let me go with e-ticket. Then you have to enter the number of the ticket. So how many tickets do you want to sell? Let's say I want to sell 4, and that's it. Then choose split type. Any, none, avoid leaving 1 ticket, avoid leaving 1 or 3. Just go ahead and choose any of this. Then you're going to have to enter seating details. So provide specific seating details if applicable. Save, then roll. Okay. High demand, all the high demands. Okay. Just sold. Oh, so you have to enter the face value as well about you. So if you work for Viagogo and you're other organizer of this event, you're required by the section. So let's say employed by none of this. So select restrictions on use. These are all of the restrictions that you can then select required ticket details, and go ahead and selling to people in the United Kingdom or Europe. I'm a seller, I'm not a trader. Then click on continue. So you enter the face value of the tickets. So I don't so say 40 by 1. And I'm going to head over to click on continue. So just fill out all of this necessary information about your ticket, and once you're done filling out all of these things, go ahead and click on continue. Now Viagogo may provide a suggested price based on the market demand, but you can choose your own price and enter your price per ticket, which we did, that you wish to sell. So keep in mind Viagogo's fees, which will be deducted from your total payout. Now, if this is your first time selling on Viagogo, you'll be prompted to select a payout method such as bank transfer or PayPal. So click Add Payout Method to enter and save your payment details. Review all information you entered, including the ticket details, pricing, and payout method. Then click List Tickets or Confirm Listing to finalize and post your tickets for sale. After listing, go to My Hub by hovering over the profile icon and selecting My Hub. And in the left navigation menu, select My Listings to view and manage your active ticket listings. That's it. Your tickets are now listed on Viagogo and buyers can purchase them directly from the platform. You receive notifications once your tickets are sold. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.